In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to undo not interest in TikTok videos. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know that how to undo not interested in TikTok videos. Click on the TikTok app. Let's suppose you like this video and now you said that you are not liking this type of content and you click on that arrow, clicked on not interested. When you click on not interested and you want to undo this, means that you want to undo not interested in videos, you want that this type of videos will be shown in your gallery. Now click on this mark that you liked, or if you don't like that video you have to, if you remember, then search that type of content. Let's suppose I have liked this video, that's why it is saved here. If I don't like this video, then you have to search this content. Click on this arrow and you have to share this video, you have to save this video many times, you have to share this video to a lot of people, then they will get notification that you are again interested and they will allow you to take interest in video and that video will be displayed in your device. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.